for me. Damn, I walk the line. Always in the north side.
First, cut up your boneless beef into small pieces. Take your time to cut them up and put it in your saucepan. When you are done, add in your local spice mix. Link to that video is in the description box below. Our local spice mix. Add in black pepper, just sprinkle. Add a cube of your choice. Add salt to taste. Add in a little water, enough to cook your beef with. Now our beef is cooked. I'm adding in a little more water, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. If you have corn flour at home, you can use about a teaspoon of corn flour, mix it with water and pour it in. And if you don't have corn flour, you can use the normal flour I use for cakes and so on. So either soft flour or just a little bit of hard flour, just to thicken the sauce. Add in your carrots, your onions, leave it to boil for some time. Now add in your green pepper. Now I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. Mixing it all in. And now my beef sauce is done. It is so simple and easy to make, and trust me, my local spice mix made this sauce so amazing. In fact, we finished it up that very day.